In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in a card@Dictio website. Let's start from your card editor. Once your site is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens a drop-down menu with different elements you can add to your page. From this list, choose Form. As soon as you click it, a new form element will appear on your page. You can move it wherever you want by simply clicking and dragging it to a new position, then dropping it when you're really happy with the placement. Take a moment to position it in a spot that makes sense, like near the bottom of your page or in a dedicated contact section. With the form selected, look over to the left panel. This is where you'll see the form element's settings. By default, Card usually sets the form type to contact, which is exactly what we want. If for some reason it's not set as a contact form, click on the form's top bar near the top left area to bring up the main form settings. There, you'll see a field labeled Type with a drop-down. Click that drop-down and select the contact form type. This makes sure the form behaves properly for collecting messages from visitors. Next, we'll customize the fields inside the form. In the panel, switch on the field settings icon, which sits next to the form settings. The default contact form already includes 3 fields: name, email, and message. You can edit the placeholder text for each of these by typing directly into the text fields shown under their labels. This is a great place to add clear instructions, like enter your full name or how can I help you. If you need more information from your visitors, you can enable additional fields such as company name, phone number, subject, or a require consent checkbox. To add any of these, just check the box on the right side of that field's name. For each one, you can also decide whether it's optional by checking the optional setting. This gives you control over what's mandatory and what's just nice to have. Finally, fine-tune the rest of your form by switching to the Button, Appearance, and Animation tabs. In the Button tab, you can change the text of the Submit button and adjust how it looks. In Appearance, you can style the form so it matches your site's design. And in Animation, you can add subtle effects to how the form appears on the page. When you're done, preview your site and test the form to make sure everything works smoothly.